When it comes to displaying information to a screen, it's very similar to what you had in Python or in Java. There's a couple of interesting points here. Number one is going to be a cout statement, because it was C, it's C++, writing out to a screen. You have your literal items are within those double quotes that you see. And endl is the command to actually push it off to the next line. So that first line would be welcome to C with the exclamation point. Using endl, then it'll push down the next one, which is welcome, onto the next line. And notice it doesn't have an endl, so it'll actually go ahead and print out Lupoli's class right after welcome because it doesn't have that endl. So that endl actually means something. It means it's going to position something of the text maybe a little bit differently than you expected. So I normally go over an exercise on making sure how we do that, but also wanted to show you was how do we display items that have variables in it. It's very similar to what we had, I think, definitely in Java, but I can't remember about Python. But what you do is you actually end the quote first, then you go ahead and put these two angle brackets, the exact same one as we use for our cout. That lets us know that it's a variable, surrounded by both of those quotes, and then, or angle brackets, and then go ahead and continue with the rest of the quote, and you can do multiple variables in between. It's really up to you. And then you don't have to, but you can end it with an endl at the end of that. So very similar to what you had in Python, more Java than Python, but just a heads up that the endl is actually the interesting one out of all of these. Go figure.